Good Monday morning, and today is another day. We're going to talk about a tool that I think everybody should have. And this is no exception to the other ones we've talked about so far, or any that are going to be coming up in future videos. But that is the good old adjustable wrench. Now, I know yesterday we talked about a wrench set. Now, I would go to the wrench set whenever possible because they're going to fit better than an adjustable wrench. There's always a little bit of play. If you get a good one, there's a lot less play in an adjustable wrench. But if you don't want to fill your kitchen handyman drawer in your home with a whole wrench set, then the next best thing is a couple adjustable wrenches for those basic little things you might need to do in the home, tightening things up, loosening things, whatever it might be. But I can't stress enough how handy a good couple adjustable wrenches are. Now, they have great big ones, and they have even smaller ones than these. I think these two sizes here, this is a 10-inch here, and this is what, a 6-inch, are going to cover most everything that you need in just basic homeowners type stuff, or things like that. If you're in a workshop, you're doing stuff all the time. First of all, these are not my go-to wrenches anyways in the workshop, because they're bigger, they don't fit in as many places as a basic wrench set, and like I said, they always have a little bit of play, and you're messing around with the adjustment. And sometimes if you're reaching in at a difficult area and you get it tightened up on the nut, when you pull it off to readjust or to re-get a hold of that nut, then this can move a little bit and you got to mess with it again. So while I think these are very important and super handy, they're not my go-to wrench when I'm trying to loosen or tighten up a nut or things like that. But they are great in a pinch or just for everyday homeowner use inside the home, for some just simple stuff like that. So I got a couple different sizes here I'm showing you. Now get yourself a good one. These are just this one here is made in USA. It's by Diamond. I will put a couple links in the description, and then you can go from there for what you think you might need. But if you trying to find that universal tool for that someone in your life that might need it coming up this holiday season, then an adjustable wrench is a great place to start. If you're not good with wrench sizes and you don't want to keep going back to the toolbox and getting the other size because you didn't get quite the right one, if you grab this, you got every size in your hand. So that is a plus for an adjustable wrench. You can get down pretty small, and of course you can go up pretty big depending on the one that you're using. So you don't have to try to look at the nut or the bolt that you're trying to work on and say, oh, that's this size here, 1/2 inch, 3/8, whatever it might be. If you grab one of these, and you can get it in there, because again, these are a little bulkier, but if you can get this in where you need, then this will save you a lot of running back and forth trying to get the right size. If you grab that whole set like I had yesterday, then you can have that right with you anyways. And if you have that, I definitely recommend using that. But if you don't, and you just look for something simple, you don't want to have a whole set like that, then a good adjustable wrench set is a must-have. Holidays are coming. Pick one up. Click down on the link. This may or may not be the one for you. It might. Maybe when you get over there to start looking around, you'll come up with something else that you really need. These are just some ideas, but these videos I'm releasing right now are some basic tools that I really highly recommend that everyone should have, because you just never know when you're going to need some of these things. So we won't get into advanced stuff, but these are just basic tools. Well, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you think about the adjustable wrench idea. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.